Load the software, enter the password, select the society that you're working. Under the billing menu, these are the options which are available. To delete the bills, modify the bills, the bill register, bill structure, the billing module. Select enable editing and edit whatever rates that you want to make a change in. Normally only the parking and the NOC there could be a change. So change the rates accordingly. After changing the rates, you can click on the save button and save the master rates. This is the save button. The master rates are saved. Now click on enable bill generation to generate the bills. This is the bill number, this is the bill date, and below is the bill title. You already generated a few bills before. Click on process bill, click on OK, and click on generate bills. All the bills of all the members are generated. You can go to print bill and view the bill register first. Check all the rates are proper. Exit. Now you can click on A4 size bill to view or print the bill, or you can exit from here and go to billing, go to print bill, click on A4 size bill from here. This is how your bill will appear. You can click here and go to the next bill. This is the bill with a receipt. You can click on the printer and select the printer and take out the printout of all the bills. You can click here and select which page you want to print. You can print all the bills. You can go to billing, and this is again the bill register. Click here to view the bill register. You may also take a printout, or click on the Excel option where your bills are exported to Excel. Go to billing and delete bills if you want to delete the bills and regenerate the bills again. Put the password to delete the bills. If you want to modify the bills, you can go to modify bills. That is a few bills you want to make. Click on the date. And in case there is a few modifications to be made, you can opt for this option. Make changes wherever you want. You can click on the process button with the password. If the password is right, click on the save option. This is the signature register. If you're distributing your bills, you can take an acknowledgement. Under billing, this is the billing module, and you can generate the next set of bills, that is for the next quarter if it is quarterly. So you have to just click on two buttons, process bills and generate bills, and Check on the bill register first before you take a printout of all the bills. These are the 3 quarters that are generated here. Click on the exit option once done.
Thanks for watching.